Hey you guys, as promised, I am bringing you how I prep my nails for Gel X extensions and more. If you would like to see how I do this, please continue to watch. And also thank you guys for 400 subscribers. You are the best. And right here, I'm going to be using the rounded side of my stainless steel cuticle pusher to gently push back my cuticles. I know it may look a little bit rough on here, but I assure you I'm doing it softly. And for anyone who may have any trouble with their cuticle skin lifting, the Orally Cuticle Softener is top tier. It's one of the best things you can use. It only takes 30 to 60 seconds to help soften that area. And right here, I flipped over the cuticle pusher to the flat side, and I'm just using this because it does have a bit of an edge to it to really lift that cuticle skin away from the nail bed and remove any additional skin from my nail plates that may be left around that I couldn't get with the cuticle pusher. And right here, I'm still using that same side just to clean under the free edge of my nail to remove any dirt or any leftover nail gunk from soaking off my previous nail set. And I'm also going to go in. These are some of the best nail clippers. They're like industrial. I'm just clipping off any excess nail growth because I like for my nails to be extremely fresh with no additional growth when I go in for a fresh set as well. And right here, I'm going in with my 100 over 150 grit file, and I'm just really cleaning up those edges of the nail so I don't have any jagged edges. So here I'm going to be going in with my ball drill bit. This is perfect for your cuticle area. You want to be extremely gentle when doing this because you don't want to, one, burn your skin, or two, burn into your nail. So just softly do this on a very low speed, removing any excess skin from the nail bed as well as any dead skin from around the sides of your nail, just to kind of clean it up and not have any like rough skin or hangnails. But also you're removing all of that excess skin so that your nails properly stick to the nail bed. If you don't do this step, your nails will wind up lifting. With this and proper, like this full like video that I'm filming for you guys for the proper and best nail prep will have your nails lasting anywhere from 3 to 5 weeks. Right here, I'm just showing you how the cuticle of the nail will probably look after you're done. Nice and deep, very clean. And then I'm going to go in with my nail buffer and just buff the surface of the nail. This is a very fine buffer, so it's not too aggressive, but it will help to remove any oils from the nail and rough it up enough so that it has the perfect surface for the nail glue to adhere to. And then I'm just going in with some 70% isopropyl alcohol. Now, if you want to go in with your gel nails next, this is a good dehydrator and primer for you to use, but I'm just showing you guys the prep before I go in with my next set. I'm applying cuticle oil, rubbing that in just so you guys can really see the finished product. You know, this is great if you're just rocking your nails natural, just doing maybe a clear coat and calling it a day. But this is really for when you're going in with your gel extensions. Look at that, beautiful nails, great nail bed, good nail health.